This is OPPO AT, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up and use the fingerprint recognition screen lock method. So first of all, you gotta go into settings, then enter the password and security category, and in here tap Add the Fingerprint. Then agree, continue, choose what screen lock type or password type you would like to go alongside your biometrics. I'll go with pattern myself. Then wait for this countdown to be finished, tap at the continue option, then set the password that you would like to use, confirm it. And now we can finally start enrolling the fingerprint. As you can see on this phone, the sensor or scanner is located underneath the display. So just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. You can follow the visual clues to understand which zone is yet to be scanned. And once finished, just tap at the done button over here. And well, you can start using this feature. So let me test it out, see how well it works. Well, it works perfectly fine. Very quick and, well, reliable. If I'll lay my other finger, it will not be recognized, so works just fine. The next option I wanted to share today you can find at the display and brightness category. It is called the screen refresh rate. Basically, there are two options, or rather values that you can choose from. You can either go with the 60 or 90 Hz as per value. Long story short, higher value will get you smoother animations and overall visual experience, as you can see from this preview animations, and lower value will significantly decrease the power consumption. So if you would like to preserve battery up to the 60 Hz, if your battery is sufficient or you simply do not care, just go ahead and set the screen refresh rate to be as smooth as, well, this phone can offer it to be. The next, well, kind of feature perhaps that I wanted to share with you, you can find at the camera of your device. Just enter more modes and go for the microscope. So as you can see, this cool feature provides you with an opportunity to zoom into things 20 or even 40-fold. So let me demonstrate it to you real quick. Oh, basically, well, its name speaks for itself. You can use it as the not very strong but still a microscope. You can just take some object and zoom into things, so perhaps some leaf from the street, and see whether it has any microscopic bugs on it. You can also, as I mentioned, zoom 40 times as well. Just the only tricky thing about this camera mode is that you have to find the very perfect distance between the object that you are, well, looking at and the lens, your camera lens. So as you can see, I'm kind of struggling to do that, but here it is. I hope you can kind of see all the smallest details, all the ribs that this 3D printed logo has. So a very cool feature indeed. It is way better if you can make your phone and the object that you're looking at stationary. So as you can see, I'm having a shaky hand, kinda. So even if I'm finding the perfect distance between the, well, camera lens and, or well, the camera module and the object, it still shakes and well, unsets the focus. But as I've already mentioned, if you can make it more stationary, you'll be good to go. Alrighty, the next option that I wanted to share with you, you can find at the settings, wallpaper and style category. It is called the Always On Display. I guess by now you are aware of what this feature is. If you're not, it's basically a brief summary of the most vital and important information that will be shown even once your screen is completely locked and turned off. So basically that's how it looks like. You can enable it by turning on the switch. You can change the mode at which it will be displayed. So you can either make it so that it will be shown after you will move your phone, and will be shown for a little time, just like 10-15 seconds. You can set some schedule for it to be shown only in between certain time frames, or you can make it permanent. So that's what I'll go for. You can set what information will be shown at it. I prefer to have only time and date and battery. So notifications is, well, nothing I do not want to see over there. In here you can also customize its design. As you can see, there are quite a lot of options to choose from. You can set some custom text on it. Well, set its color. Make text bold or not. Increase its size if you want to. You can also set some, well, I would assume custom image as well. Or do you? I'm not exactly sure, but let me see. Well, probably not, but well, that's not a big deal at all, I would assume. They do provide you with a lot of designs to choose from anyways, so you'll have a lot of room for customization. And if you'll get or grow tired from one AUD design, you can always change it to another. There are even such good animations over here. Let's see whether the let's see what my AUD looks like. Something like that. And the final and fifth tip for today, that's a very cool one if you ask me. So enter the About Device category of settings, go into RAM, and well, this feature is called RAM expansion, and it allows you to add additional virtual random access memory in addition to the 8 GB of pre-installed one. So you can increase it by either 4, 6, or 8 GB, and after you do that, you gotta restart. Obviously you have to turn on the switch, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to expand your RAM, and then make sure to restart the device. And after your system gets rebooted, the changes will take effect, or to put it in simpler terms, the changes will be applied. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.